Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on macro control in settings so you can force macro. Then remove any case and clean the ultra-wide lens. Even small smudges ruin close focus. Open the camera app in photo mode and tap 0. 5x so the ultra-wide is selected. Once done, hold the phone steady and move slowly toward the subject. Do not jab in. You'll see the view sharpen when the macro engages, and if macro control is shown, you can tap it to lock macro on. You now refine focus and exposure. Tap and hold on the subject until AE/AF lock appears. This keeps focus steady as you tweak composition. Make micro adjustments with small lateral moves rather than pulling back. Macro depth of field is razor thin. Stabilize the phone with a tripod or by bracing your arms on a surface. Once locked, use the volume button or a 2-second timer to take the picture so you avoid shutter shake. If needed, back up slightly and try again to find the sharpest plane. You finish by capturing several frames and using live photos or burst mode to ensure one is perfectly sharp. After shooting, open photos to pick the best frame, crop for tighter composition, and gently increase clarity and contrast. Don't over-sharpen. If macro won't engage, make sure macro control is enabled and the ultra-wide is selected. Remove any case that blocks the lens, clean the glass, and restart the camera app or phone. If that still fails, move slightly further away and retry. Sometimes tiny distance changes fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.